Hey guys, this is Corbin Crashworks here, checking back in. April 28th, I think it is. Nice Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night now. Hope everyone's been doing well. You know, I haven't been able to get on here too much lately. Just not too much to talk about, I guess, lately. Just kind of a lot of hacks on and cutting away. Just getting the truck ready. To get a cage in and get a fuel cell in. So pretty pumped about that. Like I said, this is my first truck first car I've ever taken apart, actually. It's been pretty fun. Pretty tiring, I'd say. So definitely if you have the time, definitely do it. But if you don't, have someone else do it. I have the time, thankfully, just with my work schedule right now. But yeah, it's been fun. I was planning on bringing the Suburban down to a shop tomorrow, but I think that's gonna get pushed back today. So that's all right. I don't plan on doing a derby until possibly June. I'm gonna go up to Motley, Minnesota. It's Morrison County Fair up there in Little Falls, Minnesota, Motley area, somewhere around there. But yeah, I'm probably gonna bring one of these two cars here. So, but yeah, let me get to you a little about the Suburban. As you guys can see, there is no front bumper anymore, as it's sitting right there. I threw couple new tires on, not new, but tires that hold air. Took off wherever this piece is here that holds, the roof. Not too much done in the engine compartment. I don't know much about my engines yet. Thank Google for all that, but that's that. So I'm doing that. This last door, oh my gosh, guys, holy shit. This passenger door, I accidentally shut it while I was taking shit, out of the truck, and I couldn't get it back open. And look, we had to cut down the damn middle, beating it apart. But yeah, a little bit about the truck. As you can see, here's a little mission. I got some of the exhaust off tonight. That's awesome. So that's great. One less thing to rattle, to break off that I gotta clean up. Yeah. So, and there's the back. No more seats. As you see in my last video, I had seats. So no more seats, no more carpet. Very exciting. I got this last seat out yesterday, and I got the dash out yesterday too, and now I'm working on this heater core bullshit. So as you can see, I have a shit ton of wires still. I'm hoping to get rid of some. Dead battery killed me, so brought it to a buddy's. He's charging for me, so thank you. So that's that, and probably have about, I don't know, say 2-3 days worth of work left, maybe. I don't know. And then I'm bringing it down to the shop, and it's gonna fuel cell and a cage, and it'll be ready to rip. Other than just throwing the journal chain, and that's about it. And we're gonna be set. So I'll show you guys all the steel I'm gonna put in the truck. So I got all this steel just for that truck over here. It looks like a lot, but it's not that much, really. Plus the couple two up here. Back into the Pacer. I know, nice butt. I need to pull that out. I don't know, so that's going to get fixed hopefully in a couple weeks, actually. So I'm excited about that. So, yeah. I'm hoping I'll be back tomorrow, Thursday. Finish up more things. Might make a video, might make a short video. We'll see. But thanks for watching, guys. It's Corbin Crashworks. Like I said, this is my first time ever doing this type of videoing, YouTubing, taking a truck apart even. It's been one hell of a ride already, and I'm only a month into it. So, and thank you for all the followers that have been following already. Appreciate everything about it. So, but next video will be up here maybe next week or this weekend. So, but we'll see you next time, guys. Thank you.